everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you and it is Asos, the Festival Edit. I'm not sure when it's released, but I spotted it on Asos yesterday, so it might well have been yesterday. This is the Festival Edit box and it costs £15 and they say you have around a 60-65% saving. All the products that are in the box can be purchased on the Asos website. I'll pop a link down below in my description to this box, and they've got a couple of other beauty boxes there as well, so I'll pop them down there, and you'll also find my discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside this. That's what it looks like. You get a card, details everything about the products in the box. Bit of a sneak peek there. It says the festival faves. Get your glitter and crochet cohorts ready because festival season is here. It's a time for over-the-top looks and shimmering everything, and that's exactly what we've brought you in this Asos Face and Body box featuring 6 essentials. First up, the category is shimmer, is the NUXE Prodigieuse body oil with a gorge golden sparkle. Hydration is extra important at the festy. There's 10 mils there. This is really, really nice. It's a dry oil. I'll just put the lid on before I show you. It's a dry oil for everywhere on your body, your skin, your face, your hair even. It feels amazing on the skin. It really does feel gorgeous. It just gives a really nice subtle shimmer as well. I tend to bring one of these, and this size actually, if I go on holiday at night, been out all day, sightseeing, whatever, come back, have a shower, and then I'll put an oil on at night. The main reason is because I wear fake tan. My skin looks like a tiger's loaf if I don't put any moisturiser on, and I find oils really, really nice. So it locks in the hydration there, and yeah, there's a few different variations of this. I've just bought the neroli one. Oh, that'll be coming soon. I'm doing a May haul video, a beauty haul video, so you'll see that soon. But that is stunning. But yeah, it's a nice little sample there. Little 10 mils, enough for a week away. Next up, colour. This is Barry M, High Vis Water Activated Colour and Revolution's Creator Hydra Pigment Palette are bright, bold and will help you stand out in those festy crowds. Let your onstage era begin. Okay, let's start off with the Barry M. So High Vis Water Activated Colour, yeah, in shade Trance. So yeah, so without water, you got a turquoisey look, but obviously with water it'll intensify, so you're able to create more like graphic liners and things like that on your eyes, which is quite cool. I love blue. I've got hazel eyes, but I love blue eyeliners, eyeshadows, darker navies and like cobalt blues. It just looks really, really pretty. Even just a pop of colour. If you normally do like a black winged eyeliner, add in just a little pop of colour just on the tops of your flicks above. It's quite cool. I like it anyway. That's what I tend to do. I love doing that with like yellow eyeshadows. So something completely different to black eyeliner. So this is the Revolution palette, the Creator Revolution Hydra Pigment Palette in Pastel Dream. Again, really, really pretty shades. It says here, activate formula of water before use. I'll show you at the end of this video. I'll pop downstairs and get some water and I'll test some out on my hand to show you. Next up, mascara. It says, I need to stop reading this card because there's no point. It just tells you what's in the box but doesn't really go into detail about the products and it doesn't make sense, so I'll leave the card. We got a mascara. This is L'Oreal. This is Lash Paradise, a little mini one in black. I love this mascara. I haven't used it for a couple of years. It came out a couple of years ago and I thought it was amazing. It was huge all over social media as a dupe for Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've got a waterproof one, but yeah, it really needs to be thrown because it's years old. I'm quite chuffed that because I know I really like it. Then we got one of the main reasons I went for this box. We got some Chub Rub for all you thicker thighed ladies or men, it doesn't matter if we all got thighs. Megababe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick, and there's 23 grams. You can buy it at this size, I believe for £8, and you can buy a larger version for about 12. I got 2 of these now. I got one in a Cult Beauty box not so long ago. Just really handy. In the summertime, I wear a lot of dresses. Lots of dresses and kimonos and floaty stuff. So my legs rub if it's a little bit hot. I don't like wearing cycling shorts. I've never got onto that. I like to feel free. But yeah, I need something to stop the rub. I've been using these type of balms for the last 6 years, something like that. And yeah, they're an essential item for me. Really, really great. This one in particular is quite nice. It feels like a little bit slippery on your skin as well. There, so you just rub it onto your skin. When I first tried this, I think it was last year, I was thinking, oh, it feels more like a cream. How is that going to work? But it does. It does work. I can't remember the one I used to buy. It's a lot more expensive from Amazon. That is really, really good as well. That is more of a hard balm. Think underarm deodorant as opposed to a creamy sort of balm. It doesn't leave a mess. It blends into your skin. It absorbs into your skin nicely. But yeah, it just stops that friction. I really like it anyway. And then lastly, we have got a lip balm. This is by Sun Bum. This is Ocean Mint. Moisturising lip balm and aloe and coconut oil. There. Oh gosh, I love it. It reminds me of the minty lip balms I used to have when I was young. Oh, it's so nice. Like a spearmint. Ocean Mint, yeah. Oh, that's really nice. It'd be good if it had an SPF on it. Thinking festival, summertime, out and about, that's fine, it's okay. So we have got a Ocean Mint lip balm, we've got a Megababe Thigh Rescue, we've got a Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, a mascara, we've got a NUXE dry oil with shimmer, we got a High Vis water activated colour from Barry M, and a Hydra pigment palette from Revolution. The cost of the box is £15 and the value is around the £40 mark, something like that. I wanted to get it mainly for these three. Handy, always use, looking forward to using that mascara again, and this size, it's always great to have that because I do use it a lot in the summer months. But I'm going to go off now, get some water, and then I'll get a brush and I'll show you what they look like. Just trying this pink there. They're really, really pretty. Oh, if only they weren't pastels, if they were more earthy tones, but then obviously it's festival themed. Really pretty to create some nice like eyeshadow looks and eyeliner and graphic liners and things. Let's try the Barry M one then. Yeah, that is gorgeous, look. That is really, really pretty. Yeah, definitely use that. Definitely. I can imagine my daughter having more use out of this than me. If they had different shades and the price was right, then yeah, I'd definitely get that. I think it's quite cool, the fact that it's all water activated, you've got more of intense colour, and I love using eyeliner pencils to create the different eye looks. So there you go. So what's your thoughts then? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.